Have you ever spent hours creating what you thought was amazing content only to watch it get 3 views and 0 comments? Yeah, me too. And if you're nodding your head right now, stick around because I'm about to tell you exactly why nobody cares about your content. And more importantly, how to fix it using some seriously game-changing AI tools. Look, I get it. You're putting your heart and soul into every video, every post, every piece of content you create. But here's the brutal truth that nobody wants to tell you. Your content isn't failing because it's bad. It's failing because it's invisible. And in today's oversaturated digital landscape, being invisible is the kiss of death. The first reason nobody cares about your content is because you're talking to everyone, which means you're actually talking to no one. Most creators make this massive mistake of trying to appeal to the broadest possible audience. They think casting a wide net will catch more fish, but what actually happens is you catch nothing but seaweed and old boots. Your content needs to feel like it was made specifically for one person. Not a demographic, not a target market, but one real human being with real problems that you can solve. When someone stumbles across your video, they should think, holy crap, did this person read my mind? The second killer is that your content lacks what I call the so what factor. You're sharing information, but you're not connecting the dots for your audience. You're telling them what, but not why they should care. Every piece of content you create should answer 3 questions. What is this about? Why should I care? And what should I do next? Here's where things get interesting and where AI tools like TubeMagic are completely changing the game for faceless content creators. If you've been struggling to come up with ideas that actually resonate, or if you're spending way too much time researching and scripting, you need to pay attention to this next part. TubeMagic uses artificial intelligence to analyze what's actually working on YouTube right now, not what worked 6 months ago. It can generate video ideas that are specifically tailored to your niche and have a high probability of getting views. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just give you random ideas. It analyzes trending topics, keyword search volumes, and competition levels to suggest content that has the best chance of breaking through the noise. For faceless channels, this is absolutely revolutionary. You can input your niche and TubeMagic will generate script outlines, suggest titles that are proven to get clicks, and even help you identify the exact keywords you need to rank higher in search results. It's like having a team of YouTube analysts working for you around the clock. But here's what most people get wrong about AI tools that they think it's going to do all the work for them. That's not how this works. AI is a multiplier, not a replacement. You still need to bring your unique perspective, your personality, and your understanding of your audience to the table. The third reason your content isn't getting attention is because you're not creating content systems. You're creating individual pieces. Successful creators think in terms of content ecosystems. Every video should connect to the next one. Every piece should build on what came before and set up what comes next. This is where TubeMagic really shines for systematic content creation. You can plan entire content series, identify content gaps in your niche, and create a content calendar that keeps your audience coming back for more. Instead of randomly throwing content at the wall and hoping something sticks, you're building a strategic content machine. The fourth mistake is that you're not optimizing for the algorithm, you're optimizing for yourself. The YouTube algorithm doesn't care about your artistic vision. It cares about watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. TubeMagic helps you understand these metrics and create content that actually performs well within YouTube's system. Your thumbnails, titles, and first 15 seconds are make-or-break moments. If you're not hooking viewers immediately and keeping them engaged throughout the entire video, you're fighting an uphill battle that you'll never win. The bottom line is this. Caring about your content isn't enough anymore. You need to create content that your audience actually wants to consume, and you need systems that help you do it consistently. TubeMagic and similar AI tools are leveling the playing field for creators who are willing to work smart, not just hard. Start implementing these strategies today, and I guarantee you'll see the difference in your next upload.